Starting first lap.
Yeah, see the brakes are moving up now. Sliding is not good, so
yeah, I'm not too sure how you should tackle that U-turn.
yeah, I just need more time. A little bit better.
Little sketch.
153.52.
Yeah, let's try the U-turn this time, right?
Yeah.
This one I can, yeah, there's the apex right there. Okay, that was good. Accelerate. Brake. Accelerate. Yeah, that's better.
That was a lot better.
So you have to brake a little bit, now get on the gas.
Good apex.
Good apex. Oh, I got the feedback.
Good job braking later.
Right on. Thank you so much. I paid for that shit, you know? At least it's paying off. Was that the lap?
After this turn, I think that was your best.
150.99.
There you go.
Oh, nice. That's good.
Just by 0.01.
That's cool. That's almost, yeah.
Yeah.
So that was a lot better. And now I'm going to save my